Hello friends, I am Sushil Patil and today we are going to learn a beautiful poem. Trees are the kindest thing I know. Trees are the kindest thing I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. Dear friend, this poem starts with the statement that trees are the kindest thing I know. Here, poet talks about kindness of the trees. He says that among all the things in the world, trees are the kindest thing. They do not harm anyone. Why trees are called kindest? Can you tell me? Because they help and take care of others. They simply grow and do not harm to anyone. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी कवी झाडांना सगळ्यात दयाळू आहेत असं म्हणतो. कारण का ते मानवाला, प्राण्यांना, पक्ष्यांना वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी देत असतात आणि त्यांच्यापासून कुठलीही इजा किंवा दुखापत आपल्याला होत नाही. आपण आता पुढचा स्टांजा बघू. And spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. How the trees help different animal and birds? Can you tell me? Yes. These things are explained in this stanza. As we know that trees provide shade to animal and human being also. They give shelter to birds on their branches. Even birds can build their nest on the branches of the tree. Yes. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, झाडे हे प्राण्यांना सावली देतात. जसं गाय, आपल्या गावाकडे आपण बघतो का गायी दुपारच्या वेळेस कशाखाली थांबतात? तर झाडाखाली थांबतात. Yes. And the tree gives shade for the sleepy cows. And where the bird gathers? The bird gathers on the branches of the tree. Very good. Now see, they give us fruits in leaves above and wood to make our houses. Trees provide us fruits and flowers. They also provide wood to make our houses. What are the other uses of wood? Can you tell me? Yes, we can make toys, furniture from the wood, as well as we can use it as a fuel to build boats and ships also. So, trees give us fruits. झाडे आपल्याला फळे देतात. त्याच प्रकारे घरासाठी लागणारे लाकूड हे सुद्धा आपल्याला झाडांकडून मिळत असतं. Next stanza. And leaves to burn on Halloween and in the spring new birds of green. What is meant by Halloween? A festival in autumn observed in western countries. पाश्चिमात्य देशांमध्ये साजरा केला जाणारा हा एक सण आहे. बरोबर? मग बघा. Here, poet again give us example of kindness of trees. इथे कवी आपल्याला पुन्हा एकदा झाडांच्या दयाळूपणाचं उदाहरण देतो. In western countries, there is the festival named as Halloween. पाश्चिमात्य देशांमध्ये हॅलोवीन नावाचा एक सण साजरा केला जातो. This festival came in winter. हा जो सण आहे हा हिवाळ्यामध्ये येतो. And we know that how is the climate in the winter? The climate is cold, chilled, and in this season, leaves of the tree falls. So, the people from western countries burn the leaves of trees to get heat, to create hot atmosphere. And so, in this way, leaves of the trees help them. And in spring also, when the climate is hot, at that time, we get a shade under the tree. We feel cold when we stand or sit under the tree. So in this way, in spring season, the leaves and buds come on the tree. And these newly sprouted buds and leaves, buds means palvi, कळ्या फुलणी. These buds and leaves gives coldness in summer to us. They are first when days begun to touch the beam of morning sun. My dear friend, trees grow tall, so they are the first thing in the world to whom the beam of the sun, that is the rays of the sun, touch. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. In the previous stanza, as we learned that beam of the sun first touches to the tree, and here also when there is the sunset, means at the time of evening, what's happened? Trees hold the light at the time of evening, and the evening changes into the night. म्हणजे संध्याकाळच्या वेळेस जो प्रकाश आहे तो धरून ठेवण्याचं काम झाडे करत असतात. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Means at the time of night, when moon floats in the sky and the wind blows, because of the blowing wind, trees make a sound, and this sound is like a drowsy lullaby. Lullaby means soft, slow song to put children to sleep. अंगाई गीत. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, रात्रीच्या वेळेस मंद वाऱ्यामुळे होणाऱ्या झाडांच्या पानाचा सळसळ असा आवाज हा लहान मुलांकरता अंगाई गीताचं काम करतो. त्या मंद शांत आवाजाने लहान मुलं काय होत असतात तर झोपी जात असतात. Of sleepy children long ago, trees are the kindest thing I know. At the time of night, this sound helps children to sleep. So again at the last, poet again repeat, and he says that trees are the kindest thing I know. आणि पुन्हा कवितेच्या शेवटी कवी सांगतो का वृक्ष हे जगातील सर्वात दयाळू वस्तू आहेत. जगामध्ये सर्वात जर दयाळू कोण असेल तर ते आहेत झाडे.